Welcome back to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for all things automotive, scale models, and RC machines. If you're into powerful machines, military-grade designs, and jaw-dropping engineering in miniature form, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the biggest, boldest, and most powerful RC military truck to be unveiled in 2025. It's the next-generation 8-wheeler metallic RC beast that's making serious waves in the RC world, and we've got all the details, features, and pricing right here. Let's talk about what makes this new 2025 RC 8-wheeler military truck a true titan. Built with a fully metallic body, it brings unmatched realism and durability to the table. The chassis is engineered from high-strength aluminum alloy, providing a perfect combination of lightweight structure and incredible toughness. Whether you're a collector or a hardcore RC crawler, this is the machine you've been waiting for. This RC truck stands tall and wide, dwarfing most of the models in its class. It features 8 fully independent wheels with heavy-duty suspension on each axle, ensuring superior traction, articulation, and shock absorption. Whether it's gravel, sand, snow, or rocky terrain, this 8-wheeler climbs, crawls, and conquers everything in its path. The wheelbase design offers excellent balance and maneuverability for such a large-scale model. Under the hood, under the frame, this monster is powered by a high-torque brushed motor capable of delivering sustained power to all 8 wheels via a precision 4WD drivetrain system. It includes differential locking options that you can control remotely, which is ideal for tackling tricky terrain and steep inclines. The drivetrain is water-resistant and built to endure rough use without compromising performance. Controlling this beast is a breeze thanks to the advanced 2.4 GHz radio system included in the package. With a range of over 100 meters, zero signal interference, and ultra-smooth response time, you'll feel like you're behind the wheel of a real military-grade vehicle. The controller itself features ergonomic grips and programmable switches for enhanced functionality. This next-generation model also comes with a fully functional LED lighting system. It includes high-intensity headlights, working tail lights, roof-mounted light bars, and even side signal indicators. Night runs have never looked this dramatic. The lighting syncs with your remote commands for turning, braking, and reversing, adding a layer of realism that's usually reserved for premium models. And let's not forget the details that matter most to collectors: interior and exterior craftsmanship. The cab of the truck opens up to reveal a detailed dashboard, working steering wheel, molded seats, and military gear accessories. The exterior includes tow hooks, a front-mounted winch, metal bumper guards, antennae, and realistic paint with weathered military graphics. Every inch of this machine screams authenticity. Now, WHE.